Hello and welcome to my messy garage. Yeah, in this video series I'll try to show you, let's say, a short journey or a longer journey on how I'm starting on models, aero models. So we'll start with a helicopter, an EP Concept SR-K kit, which I got it as a present. So yeah, it's an old kit. I don't know, probably from around 2000. So yeah, I'm doing an unboxing. First time when I'm looking. So let's see what we have inside. So this kit is made by Kyosho. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so we have guidelines, which, okay, in German. Okay, so I'll have to think and remember my German, my technical German. We'll see how that goes. Okay, what we have here? So okay, 11. So this is 11 is this one. Sorry. Okay, so some more paperwork, instructions about the motor, an official card from Kyosho. Okay, serial numbers and stuff. Okay, yeah, I'll have to use Google Translate for this. I know my Japanese is, yeah, 0. Okay, so okay, later we'll have a look into more details. Okay, so what else we have here? So we have the kit, we have the decals. Most likely this will be at the end, looking at the number. We have this one, which is a futaba. I'm assuming. Okay, so this might be the transmitter, or no, it's the gyro. Okay, and there are some guidance, some instructions. Okay, we'll put it here. Okay, this is 9. So, and the cabin, quite good plastic seems to be. The other cabin. I'll just try to put them aside. Okay, so this one has number 7. So I'm assuming is for the tail. And the propellers. Okay, let me put it here. There's some other things inside. Ooh. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So they have numbers. So 8 type of pieces, screws and other stuff. Okay, this is 3, so this is the motor. Some other plastic pieces. Okay, this one is 2. So, yep. And okay, we have a 1. Okay, so probably I will start putting this in an order. So we put a 1, we put okay, I take this one, we put a 2. Okay, this is 6. Okay, so probably we'll take everything out and then we'll arrange. Okay, I'll leave the big parts. So that's a 9, this is a 7, this is 10. Okay, I'll put this one here. I don't know when it will come. And the decals. Instruction sheet on the power motor. Okay, and I think this one is the most important piece. Okay, so this one I'll leave it here. Okay, well, put the box aside for the moment. And this one, and let's try to put it in order. Okay, move it here because I'll be starting from 1, 2, 3. It was this one. 4, 5, 6, 7 is inside, 8. Okay, so probably I'll leave the first 3 bags. No, the first bag. So yeah, I've never done this before, so I'm just putting this here because so I'm putting that here because that's the place. And probably I'll be moving everything back into the box. Yeah, because I don't have a big table, so we'll need some space around. Okay, and then let's put this one. So careful with the propellers. 6, 8, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I'll do this as sequential, and I'll this one is here. Yep. And renewal concept, okay. Hopefully it will look good as it is on the box. Okay,